Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry vermicelli noodles. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of sliced vegetables like carrots and bell peppers, and your choice of protein, perhaps 4 ounces of shrimp or chicken. Remember to soak your vermicelli noodles in hot water for approximately 5 minutes until they are soft and pliable, then drain them well. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large wok or skillet over medium-high heat. Add your chosen protein, like chicken or tofu, and cook it until it's almost done, about 3 to 5 minutes. Then, toss in your prepared vegetables, such as sliced carrots and bell peppers, and stir-fry them for another 3 to 4 minutes until they are crisp tender. Now it's time to bring everything together. Add the softened and drained vermicelli noodles directly into the wok with your protein and vegetables. Pour in about 1/4 cup of your favorite stir-fry sauce, ensuring it coats all the ingredients. Toss everything gently but thoroughly for about 2 minutes, allowing the noodles to absorb the delicious flavors. Finally, your delicious stir-fried vermicelli noodles are ready to enjoy. Garnish your dish with some fresh cilantro or thinly sliced green onions for an extra burst of flavor and color. Serve it immediately while it's hot to experience the best texture and taste. This easy guide helps you create a satisfying meal in under 20 minutes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.